Erika Miranda-Alvarez. Pardon me? All right, Miss Erika Miranda-Alvarez is not present. I have been informed that she is currently at medical. She is charged with capital murder. May I hear probable cause, please?
Yes, Judge. On December 19, 2017, Carolina Flores Miranda was stabbed multiple times in the neck and head area and was killed in her apartment located at 185 Goodson, which is a location in Harris County, Texas. Carolina Flores Miranda's 6-week-old daughter, Shamali Flores, was missing from the scene and had been kidnapped. When the officers arrived at the scene, they discovered the body of the deceased, Miss Miranda, and they saw that she had multiple stab wounds to the neck and head area. They were able to identify her from some documents at the residence and also family members who arrived at the scene and informed them that the deceased had a 6-week-old daughter named Shamali Flores who was missing. The officers located documentation of that birth from the LBJ hospital, also on the scene there. They spoke with the family members who stated that they had seen both the complainant and her daughter alive in the morning of December 19, 2017, before leaving for school. One relative had returned to the apartment at about 11:30 a.m., and when he entered the apartment, he found her dead on the bedroom floor and the baby missing. The homicide detectives worked this case and located a baby at another apartment at a different address that they believed was Shamali Flores. She was found in the possession of the defendant, Erika Jisela Miranda-Alvarez. The defendant was asked at that point to come down to the police headquarters to be questioned. She agreed and was patted down prior to being transported. During that pat-down, officers discovered 3 hospital bracelets in her pocket. 2 with the name Miranda Flores, or Flores Miranda, Carolina, with her date of birth, which is the same name and date of birth as the deceased, and a second one with the name Flores Miranda, Carolina, with the date 11/5/17 at 1728, and in parentheses, girl, which was the date of birth of Shamali Flores. The defendant was then transported to the police station on Travis Street when read her Miranda warnings. She agreed to waive those warnings and was interviewed. She admitted going to Carolina Miranda's apartment on December 19, 2017. She stated the front door was open and the complainant was already lying dead on her bedroom floor when she arrived at the apartment. She stated she took the complainant's infant daughter, Shamali Flores, and left the apartment. She said she had recently been pregnant but had lost the child to stillbirth. She took the complainant's daughter because she did not want to disappoint her boyfriend because she had lost her baby. The officer stated that the defendant told him that she had taken the complainant's hospital wristbands from when she delivered that baby at LBJ Hospital as she left the complainant's apartment. She also admitted to taking the complainant's cell phone from the apartment. She denied stabbing the deceased, the complainant, advised the detectives that she had been pregnant herself and lost that infant. She then pretended that the complainant's infant daughter was her own child, took the infant home, and fed the child. Officers spoke to the medical examiner who stated that the complainant died as a result of multiple stab wounds. At the scene, the officer located a pair of scissors on top of the bed near the complainant's body, though it was unclear at that time, and still now, whether or not those scissors are the murder weapon or not.
I find probable cause exists. Due to the nature of the offense being a capital murder charge, the court sets no bond in this case and refers this matter on to the 230th District Court, Judge Brad Hart.